Hi everyone, and welcome to the second video in the General Computer Skills Training, Summer 2018. My name is Kyle Monahan, and I'm going to be taking you through the next step, which is converting a PDF into PowerPoint. In this case, we're going to be taking a PDF that we got via email. Remember in the first training that we went through sending emails? Imagine that I got a PDF for myself. I've sent myself this nice email, and I just got a PDF back. I sure would like to take this PDF and convert it to a PowerPoint, but I don't have access to certain materials that I might want to have access with in here. And I'd really love to turn it into a PowerPoint to use it in my lectures, perhaps at the extension school. To do this, first I need to bring my mouse up to the top and allow this menu to come up. Now this is the menu for the PDF or Portable Document Format made by Adobe that comes up when that's in my browser. I'm using the browser, the internet browser Chrome, which you can see by the icon here. If I was using Firefox, it would look like this. If I was using Internet Explorer or Edge, it would look like this. These are the three main browsers we will be going through here today, but you might also know about Safari, the browser in an iPad or Mac OS, Apple laptop. You might also know your phone's browser, say Samsung Internet or Safari on the iPhone. These all can view and work with PDF documents. What we're going to do here today is go up to the download section here. If you hover over it, you can see what each of these do. This rotates the document clockwise. This allows us to download it. This would allow us to print it. And this would bookmark it to allow us to access different bookmarks along in the document itself. In our case, we want to download it. When I click download, it comes up with a query to ask me where I would like to save it. In my case, I will save it to the desktop. When I open it, I can click on the download caret key here and then show in folder. What this will do is show it inside the folder of my computer. Now, I can open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. This is a program which you can download from Adobe Acrobat that will allow me to work and edit with this file. In my case, I would like to export the PDF right here. You might not see this menu. If you don't, let's say it's gone away, I'll remove it. You'll just want to go to Tools up at the top. Then you'll want to look for the Export PDF option. Let's click on that now. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader DC installed, take a look at the link below where I've linked it for you. Download and double-click on that exe to install it. Once Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is installed, go to File and then Open and navigate to the downloaded WU_webinar file. If you don't have access to that file, take a look at the link below where I've linked it. Click Open. Now it's open. Go to Tools and Export PDF to export this. Now, and feel free to pause this video if I'm moving too fast for you. Now, take those selected files and go to Convert To. You see we can convert to many different types of files here. In our case, we're going to convert to PowerPoint document. Take this PowerPoint document, detect the language, and export this to PowerPoint. It will ask you to sign in. If you haven't signed up for an Adobe ID, you should do that now. Now, I noted that some of you might run into problems with the Adobe ID. because for non-academic users, they will charge for this service. In that event, I wanted to show you smallpdf.com. What you can do is click on the PDF here, open it, it will upload the PDF to smallpdf.com, and then convert it to PPT or PowerPoint file. One thing to note is that if there's any confidential information in this PDF, you should not upload it to smallpdf.com. I'm sure this is a great company and I greatly appreciate their service. I think they're doing a great job. However, you can never be confident that that material will be protected the second it leaves your computer. So in this case, I will download this to here, save it, and if I open this up, we'll find that we in fact have a great PowerPoint file that we can work with here, right here. Now there might be some editing needed to be done, but in this case it actually worked quite well. And now we have a true PowerPoint file to work with. Wonderful. If there are any questions, feel free to post them below, but thanks to everyone for listening to the second video in this video tutorial. If you'd like to see the other things that we'll cover, these include converting a PowerPoint to Google Slides, which we'll do next, copy from manuscript to Word, copy from a photograph into Word, and color code table areas in Word. Thanks for your time, and as always, thanks for attending the General Computer Skills Training, Summer 2018. Bye.